Alright, so here's the first scenario. It's 7 tables I made. So the first one is users, and as you can see, the user ID is the primary key. Username is I made it a unique index. The user status ID, user type ID, and clan type ID are all here as indexes as well. You have payment with the ID as the primary, equipment with the ID as the primary, dinars, which is the unit of currency. It's like the currency or the in-game currency. Clan type, user status, and then the users. So the relations I have on here are 3 foreign keys, one going from user type ID, the user type ID column and users to the user type table, and the column user type ID on that table. And then the second one, or that was the second one, but the first one is user status ID column to the user status table and the user status ID column on that table. And the third one is for clan type, the clan type table, and so on. And another relation was the foreign key from the dinars table, which I had the user ID, so I related that to the user ID on users. And that was about the gist of what I did on scenario 1 for the most part. And then scenario 2, I had another users table, username, unique ID again. Unique index again. It has one relation, that being on the student status ID column of users, or of the users table, to the table student status, which has the column student status ID. And then I have a foreign key on grades that relates the user ID on grades to the user ID that's on users. Because as you can see, there's a user ID on grades as well. And then class is the last relation on scenario 2, and that is another relation of the user ID from users between class and users. So that is about everything I did, or everything I could figure out how to do. And yeah, that's both scenarios. Thanks for watching.